In an average year, the U.S. witnesses around 5.2 million transactions in the pre-owned housing market, with property values generally climbing by 4%. However, the concept of average has become a rarity in recent times. The volume of home sales in 2023 is projected to hit its lowest since 2010, and even though there's an expected increase in 2024, the numbers will remain subdued compared to the norm. Amidst the prevailing economic and real estate market uncertainties, there are a few predictable elements. Interest rates on home loans, which soared to their highest in over 20 years during the last quarter of 2023, are anticipated to decrease in 2024. Nevertheless, they won't drop to the lows seen during the pandemic period. We're entering a different phase regarding mortgage rates, with potential homebuyers likely to see rates stabilize in the range of 6% to 6.5% in the coming year. As a response, consumers will adjust their expectations. With a downward trend in interest rates, the market is set to attract an increased number of both buyers and sellers. Forecasting the direction of housing prices in the upcoming period might resemble the classic dilemma: what precedes the other, the chicken or the egg? If current homeowners are lured back into the market before new buyers step in, there's a chance we might witness a slight decrease in home prices at the beginning of 2024. On a national scale, any potential dips in prices are likely to be mild and fleeting, largely because property listings will continue to be significantly scarce by historical measures. The regions most vulnerable to price adjustments are those with high living costs, particularly several major coastal cities. Before we delve further into the intricacies of the 2024 housing market, I invite you to subscribe to this channel. Staying updated with our content ensures you're always well informed about the latest trends and insights in real estate. Now, let's continue exploring what the future holds for the housing market. Should buyers re-enter the market ahead of sellers, we can anticipate a vigorous market with escalating prices. In the initial phase of 2024, potential first-time homebuyers might opt to stay away from the for-sale sector, as renting becomes more appealing. A surge in new apartment buildings has resulted in lower rents and more incentives, tipping the scales in favor of renting over buying in certain areas. Yet, the aspiration to own a home remains potent. Demographic dynamics suggest a sustained demand coupled with a tight supply throughout 2024 and beyond. Today's oldest millennials are reaching their early 40s. However, the average age of first-time homebuyers is now at an all-time high of 36, and their homeownership rates trail significantly behind previous generations. Had millennials owned homes at the same rate as Generation X or baby boomers did at their age, the U.S. would see an additional 740,000 homeowners. This highlights a considerable backlog in demand, some of which is biding its time for lower interest rates and more available properties in 2024. While there will be a slight increase in housing inventory next year, the overall supply will remain constrained. This is in part due to baby boomers, another significant demographic group, who are choosing to stay in their homes longer. Factors such as sub-3% mortgage rates and a scarcity of suitable downsizing options have also slowed down the rate of new listings. These demographic elements are key in ensuring that home prices stay robust and continue to rise in most markets in 2024. However, there are unpredictable elements to consider. A new variant of the coronavirus is a constant underlying threat. Geopolitical tensions and the risk of an economic recession could heighten consumer apprehension, potentially dampening home buying and selling activities. Additionally, while presidential elections usually don't majorly influence the housing market, this year could be different if the political environment worsens further. As we navigate the twists and turns of the 2024 housing market, it's clear that staying informed and prepared is key. Whether you're a first-time buyer, a seasoned investor, or simply keeping an eye on market trends, understanding these dynamics can make a significant difference in your real estate journey. Now, while knowledge of the future market is invaluable, it's equally crucial to be aware of pitfalls in the real estate realm. To help you in this regard, I highly recommend checking out our next video on real estate mistakes to avoid. This guide is designed to arm you with the insights needed to sidestep common errors and make well-informed decisions in your property ventures. So, if you're looking to build on what you've learned today and ensure a smoother, more successful real estate experience, simply click on the video appearing on your screen now. Let's continue this journey together, equipping ourselves with the wisdom to navigate the real estate market with confidence and success.